Hey everybody, how are you? I hope you're doing great. Today I'm going to show you a very cool design, and this one is going to be another balloon animal from the version that is one balloon figurine or one balloon animal. There is a playlist, so check it out in case you want to start practicing sometimes with just one balloon. So I'm going to show you the design. It's going to be the hippo, because yes, it's the same idea that I already show you, but it's using only one balloon. So why not? And let's do it. This is going to be fast, because in case you wonder, wait, what happened? There is more elaborated videos about this design, because it's the same version. If you kind of look at this and then you look at, let me see, it's kind of shrinking, but it's pretty much the same idea. Just the ears are pinch twists instead of just long. Let's see, also the hamster is kind of shrinking, but the same idea is pretty much the same idea. What is changing now is Sharpie time. Okay, now this is shrinking because it's half weeks with me. It's useful right now to use it. It's just the Sharpie time that is going to vary, maybe one more detail, but nothing really much. And the good thing is you will see that making it now, you can start from different angles, different areas. You can, make first the pinch twist, the loops, and then make, the rest of the head. So let's do this and you will see. This is the fun part. That's why you can always remember there is not exactly a rule. Just have fun, enjoy, and this is the cool thing also. When you have a technique that is a one balloon design and it can be many things, it's awesome because it's very, very, very useful. Sometimes just learning this technique, you can have probably, it will be ideal 10 or even more, animals. So that's kind of my plan in this playlist that says one balloon figurine, and specifically this technique. Okay, let's start it. One balloon, what colors? Okay, if you have lavender or gray, some of those, even soft pink, it will be great for this hippo. Totally fine. I don't recommend you white, okay? I don't recommend you brown, but lavender, and maybe some soft pink, or I already told you the gray one. So I'm gonna try and just to see the difference. Oopsie, things are falling. I'm gonna try with this soft lavender. So it's like you call this, I think, lavender, right? Okay, let's start it. And I don't want to forget, please like, comment, subscribe. Right now you're watching the videos, like the comment, because then later you may forget. And if you haven't subscribed yet to the channel, you should. I invite you to subscribe to the channel, because this channel have lots of content, and I'm kind of every day. Why? Because I practice, I make balloons every day, and why not sometimes turn on the camera, share something with you, and I know this is also helping me. If you keep kind of something constant, especially in the process that you are learning, it's going to help you to go faster, learn faster, because there's already lots of people twisting balloons. So you are starting right now. This can be also a cool way to start with one balloon figurine. So let's do this. Inflate your balloon, and I recommend you always kind of like a good, it's 6-finger tail, okay? That's a good, always lose some air and then tie your balloon. It's a good idea, always lose some air and then tie the balloon, so then everything is soft and squishable, much easier to twist. Okay, so now, what I do is I measure 8-finger long, and it seems like a lot, but it's okay because you're gonna still have enough balloon for the rest of the body. So I measure, look, 8-finger long, and then I cut. Use your cutter, and look, I do this, I pull, so then I have extra tip to tie it, okay? So even that if now it's small, you can pull and tie it. You will see in a moment. Now this, I lose always some air, so then I have here a tip to tie to these two. So I'm tying. Make it their weight for a moment. Oh, right. Okay, make them this way. And this pretty much is still with 6-finger tail. That's cool, right? Now, this piece, you have a tip, but it's always a good idea, why not lose some air? That way you tie it. That's what is good. I told you 8 fingers, it seems a lot. And even that, it's even a lot. So actually, I'm going to lose even more air. And this is the moment that you decide maybe 4-finger as inflated, and the rest I'm going to just tied it. And when I tied it, I cannot tie it close to the nozzle, but leaving some tip there. This is something that right now I'm telling you, then with practice, we will see it's gonna be natural. It's like, okay, you got this part, you know, it's like, and then you're gonna just kind of split in half and squish the air. You want some air here in between. That's what I'm doing, that whole technique. You can, for a moment, just very momentaneously, for a moment, keep it there between your fingers. Now here, you're gonna measure like 3 finger long, another 3 finger long, and it's gonna be twisting together. But in order to just don't keep, you know, having this somewhere else, attach it there. In the middle there, that's a good side, look. Right there, okay? Now measure 3 or 4 finger long here too. So I twist it together. And then locked. Like I pass it around one time, good enough. Then from here, you decide you want to make 2 pinch twists first and then a big, you know, kind of like a loop. But not that big. Actually, it's like no more than 2, but because this is a small design, but let's see. I'm going to start making 2 finger bubble, pinch twist. Another 2 finger bubble, pinch twist. Then from here, and this is what I'm trying, you can make a big pinch twist here. Or if you think it's easier, just make like a 2 or 2.5 finger loop. That's a 2.5 finger loop. Cecilia, show me again. You have this, and now 2.5 finger loop. Or 2, okay? And then pass it around and twist it. And that's gonna be pretty much in the front. So then the other pinch twist is gonna be to the side. So it's gonna have something like this. Look how cute it's looking this. Now this is the moment. If you're in a hurry, you can just leave this a little bit up and that's it, representing ears. But if you have time, why not to make it into a pinch twist each side? And you just have to grab the nozzle, you know, the end of the balloon, and twist it, and it's gonna get stuck there. That's one ear. The same the other side. Grab it and twist it. And it's gonna stay there by the force in between bubbles. So that is gonna be the head pretty much. And this same head is the same, just only using different color balloon, like it's more brownish for the hamster, okay? Now, some variations then with Sharpie time is gonna make the difference. Now from here, hippos also, I think, kind of like a long body, all right? So I'm gonna go with a long body idea that is gonna be 6 finger long. Yep. And then another 6 finger long to go up. And then twist it together. And then we're just gonna have to make that what represents arms and legs. So we're gonna just measure an inch bubble, another inch bubble, and that's it. It's gonna feel its shoulder, and if it's shoulder, it's even better because it's gonna make some pressure when you twist. You will see. So you have 2 bubbles, and this, here even if it's shoulder, all these 2 bubbles, then the body is good because you're gonna pass it, and that's gonna give a pressure, and that's good. And then another 2 bubbles, like an inch each. Whatever you have left over, you can, you know, like make a hole or pop it with your nails and the thumb of your nail, something like this. Look, I do this. So I don't really use even my other nails. 1 nail and 1 skin. 1 nail and the skin of the other finger. So I twist this part, make sure it doesn't get untwist, and even sometimes it's, there we go. Then with this tip that is still there, you're gonna just twist and pass it around. You can tie it if you want. Oh, I'm losing air. Oh no, why? I think I get too excited. Let me see if I can save it and blow some air. Sometimes better to tie it. Okay, better tie it. That way we don't lose some air. And then I'm just gonna make 2 bubbles. Things doesn't have to be perfect, guys. Even right now you can see, you see, now probably one of my legs are gonna be smaller than the other one, but it's okay. It's okay. Okay, if that happened to you, don't panic. Just trying to fix it. There you go. You have something like this, and the design is pretty much ready. The twisting part, okay, twisting part is ready, and I think it looks really cute. I like it. You can accommodate bubbles, but now it's just Sharpie time. And for the Sharpie time, this is what I did. One thing, the tail. If it's a hamster, so the tail will be just shorter. So even just something like this, that's what my hamster's tail. And this is gonna be for the hippo. So I'm using purple, that's good. If you don't have purple, you should get some purple or lavender, because it helps, you know, to have different colors. So dress something up, and then with your black marker, just make like it's like a brush, right? The tip of a brush. That's it. Eyes, you decide to make it big or small. And you can also have sticker eyes. And why it's good idea to have sticker eyes? Because even this can be as a workshop, you make these animals and the kids can decorate it. So I have these sticker eyes. I'm just gonna put one here. Also because I wanna see how it looks having sticker eyes. And I think it looks cute because these sticker eyes, most of the time, is perfect for the balloon animals playing with 260s. Sometimes those are too small if you're planning to use it for example, the 5-inch rounds, you know, as a face. Okay, or a 350. But this one, look, is a perfect size. That's what I'm using. Then you can, with your black, just go with details like eyebrows. And the nose, I think it's a good idea if the nostrils, these holes are separated for the hippo. So I'm gonna make it right here. 1, 2, I'm making it separated. Okay, and right something on top. That will be a good idea. On top as possible will be good. And then here I just like to make this version. Look, this is kind of like a wide version for a mouth. I think it's cute. You can even make it with a line here. And if you want some teeth coming out. Now also freckles will be a good idea. But the freckles, I recommend you to do it first on top of some gray or pink for the cheeks. I mean purple, this light blue, I like it. So I'm gonna make one right here, and then I'm gonna put the freckles that you can make it white, but in this occasion I'm gonna put it black. Okay, even here you can make some shape, even some wrinkles if you want. Even here to give more shape for the nose. So play with that. Things are not necessary exactly the way you can just play, depending also how much time do you have, really. What are I'd say the freckles, right? Now let's do the freckles. And it's just dots, you know, just some dots. If you have a good Sharpie, it's gonna just be something like that. Because I already have some freckles. And that's just a little detail. Even here, you know, you can put it here. Some freckles. It's like, it's kind of cute. Okay, now with white, look, just the teeth. And again, you don't have to put, but it's a very cute way to represent a hippo. Okay, so this is the design. It's ready. If it's for Easter, if it's for anything, really, if you have a sticker, kids feel special. Kids love it. So I have my stickers here, but not this one. I have some stickers, like for example, well, these ones are for Christmas, but the same idea of these that I have for Christmas, you can find it for another thing like Easter, because that's what is coming. And if it's in love, the hearts, you know, can be a good idea. I do have my heart. Where are my stickers? Oh, here. Haha, I have this. Even a butterfly you can put in there. Where to get stickers? Amazon, Temu, AliExpress. What is the other? Etsy. So look, I have these ones that are very cute. Are not that big, so why not? I'm gonna go with one of those small stickers, and I'm gonna put it right here. And look how cute. Something simple but can make adorable. Always you can put a wristband there, and it's gonna be a bracelet, okay? So now let's make comparisons and check it out. It's not exactly the same, but I think both are working great. What color is your favorite for the hippo? I think, you know, light purple. If you have, for example, it must be a pastel gray or something, you know, gray, but not that dark, maybe. But I think gray is not that bad. And any pastel colors is great, especially for the Sharpie time. Say people's gonna be able to see more the details of your Sharpie time. Awesome. There you go. I hope you like it. Please tell me in the comments, what do you think? You prefer more the eyes without stickers or bigger stickers? There's bigger stickers, but I wanna make sure I use those. Why not? I don't think it's that bad. Okay. Have a wonderful day. Thank you so much. And don't forget www.blingblingjam.com. That is the website to get more information about Las Vegas Bling Bling Jam. That is the balloon convention that is happening on July, every year on July in Las Vegas. And this year, 2024, I'm very happy to invite everybody. That's what I'm always telling you about this awesome balloon convention, because I already registered. And I know for sure it's a really awesome convention because I've been there already 2 years in person. So this is going to be my 3rd year. And I'm super excited to go back and see again my balloon friends in person. So the good thing about this convention is everybody is super friendly and nice. So you can also meet new friends, you know, that love balloon twisting. And sometimes that is not that easy or common to have another friend that also loves to twist balloons. Because in my case, you see, here in Cheyenne, I'm the only one. So now having this convention once a year, I feel like, yeah, it's like my vacation time. And I hope you can also participate. That's what there's the information. Plus, there's, you know, the reason, I guess the most important reason is that you learn balloon, how to twist, you know, new techniques. You learn by, you know, practicing in person. Sometimes that is the best way for a lot of people that goes there. They like to go there because it's harder for them to twist, you know, or learn things just for watching a video, because it's not the same. When you are in person, you can go all the angles, you can ask questions right away, and then whatever you learn, you keep it there in your brain. Plus, in case you think you're gonna forget, because there's gonna be lots of classes in 4 days, you know, consecutive, everything is gonna be saved, recorded, and you will have access to those videos to watch it later any day you want. So that's the best part, right? Plus, if you registered now or as early as you can, the price is much cheaper as earlier. And then also you have access to Zoom meetings, so you can start kind of chatting, meeting other people that is going to the convention, you know. So that's something cool. And also you will be learning some, because in each Zoom meeting, it's someone around the world sharing, you know, sharing an idea, sharing a design. So that's something cool, you know, because it's kind of like a convention, but also a kind of a balloon community that you have for the whole year. So that's really cool. Okie dokie, I'm leaving now. Have a wonderful day and see you in my next video, because the next one, guess what? It's going to be another one balloon design, and it's going to be this cute monkey. And it's going to, you will see, have very similar technique. Very, very similar. It's only one balloon. Okie dokie. So, and if you, in case you haven't noticed, it's already other tutorials about this. It's shrinking, so it's much bigger than what you see right now. It's having wicks there. So it's this one, and then it's also another one, like the bunny, and it's all this one balloon design. So all this is in one playlist that is one balloon figurine plus other designs, but it's coming with another technique. This one is pretty much the same technique, and I want to kind of fill it out, that playlist. So you have content every time you look for a playlist, that it can be one balloon figurine, another one can be line twisting designs, or fast and easy designs, or linking balloon designs. You know, there's other ones with hearts. So check it out, because this YouTube channel have lots of content. So subscribe to the channel, don't forget. Okie dokie, have a wonderful day. Ciao, ciao. Oh, just in case I haven't mentioned it somewhere, tag me. If you make this design, the hippo, please tag me. That way, at the end of my videos, you will see there's people that already know that if they tag me on social media, I will be able to see, save a screenshot, and at the end of my videos, you will see it. You will see your design and everybody else. And that is something you can do to kind of help this channel as a community to kind of like feel that, yes, you're part of this YouTube channel. You know, and it motivates other people watching the videos. So there you go. Have a wonderful day. Ciao, ciao.